Hello and welcome to m200, Statistics Online here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz. In this video, we will do a homework problem from section 4.3. It's asking us to use the following results from a test for marijuana use, which is provided by a certain drug testing company. And it says that among 146 subjects with positive test results, there are 29 false positive results. And among 154 negative results, there are 3 false negative results. And they want us to answer some questions. Let's start by creating a table as is suggested by this problem. What we're interested in is to mark down the positive and negative test results. So we know there's positive test results and negative test results. And these were taken by people who may or may not have used marijuana. And what they gave us are the totals. It says among 146 subjects with positive test results. So we have positive test results from 146 test subjects. 29 are false positives. What does false positive mean? It means they tested positive, but they actually hadn't used it. So that number, 29, must go in this slot where they tested positive, but they have not used it. The second part says among 154 negative results, the negative results would go here. 13 are false negatives. So false negatives means that they used it, but they didn't get caught. Now we have the table almost completely set up. We can figure out the other 2 parts of the table by some simple subtraction. If the total number of positive results were 146, we accounted for 29 of them. That means the rest of them would be the difference between 146 and 29. Likewise, if we have 154 total results, 3 of them actually used, but the others did not. The difference must be 151. So now we have our table. We can figure out the sums below. Total of people who used would be just adding these 2 numbers, and the same thing would go for the next one. The total number of participants would be all of these added together. Or we can think about just adding the total number of positive and negatives. So there's several ways to get this. We can just add the positive results and the negative results, and we get 300. I think this might be enough to get us going in answering the questions. The first question is asking us what the total number of subjects were. We computed 300 of them. How many subjects did not use marijuana? So the not used columns over here is 180. And finally, what is the probability that if you randomly select one subject that they did not use marijuana? So the number of people that did not use is 180. and the number of total people altogether was 300. They want us to come up with a decimal for this, so I will just use Google Sheets, say equals 180 divided by 300, and I get 0.6. So let's try 0.6. All right. I hope that helps.